Number 7 is another proof. Given that A is parallel to B, they want us to prove that angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. So this isn't one we've played around with very much, but being supplementary means they add to 180 degrees. Okay, so we know line A is parallel to line B. So we can definitely start thinking about our corresponding angles, our alternate interior angles, what that all means. So right off the bat, I know that angle 1 and angle 3, these two are corresponding. That means they're congruent, right? So measure of angle 1 is congruent to measure of angle, is equal to measure of angle 3 because they're corresponding, right? Oh, and you know what I forgot? I often do this. I forgot to do my given. So A is parallel to B because it's given. You always start with your given statement. And then these two are corresponding, and you can only say that because you know these are parallel. Another thing that we know is angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, right? So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. So really, I think the way I want to say that is the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is 180. They're supplementary, right? Because they're a linear pair. This is the linear pair postulate. So these two add to 180. These two are equal. So that means that I can take measure of angle 1 and substitute measure of angle 3. So measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 2 equals 180. This is just substitution. I substituted measure of angle 3 for measure of angle 1 because I knew they were equal. And now that means measure of angle 3, angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary because that's the definition of supplementary, right? The definition is that they add to 180. So I was able to prove that.